In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OBS audio on Google Meet. Many of us use Google Meet for virtual meetings, and OBS, or Open Broadcaster software, is a fantastic tool for streaming and recording. However, sometimes these two applications don't play nicely together, particularly when it comes to audio. So let's dive into how you can resolve these audio issues, ensuring a smooth and seamless experience every time you connect. First, let's make sure that Google Meet and your browser have access to your microphone. This is crucial because without the proper permissions, the audio won't function as intended. You'll want to start by opening your browser and navigating to its settings. For most browsers, you can do this by clicking on the three dots located in the top right corner. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll see the settings option. Click on that to proceed. Within the settings menu, look for the section labeled Privacy and Security. This is where you'll find the tools needed to manage your microphone settings. Inside Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings. This section controls how individual websites interact with browser features, including your microphone. Once you're in Site Settings, there should be an option for microphone. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can manage which sites can use your microphone and ensure that Google Meet is listed under Allowed to use your microphone. You should see Google Meet's URL in this list, allowing it to capture audio input from your device. Next, let's look at Google Meet itself. Before entering any meeting, it's important to check that you have the correct microphone and speaker devices selected. You can do this by using the drop-down menu on the Google Meet screen, which appears before you join a meeting. Here you can choose the precise devices you wish to use, ensuring the audio flows through the right channels. Now let's shift our attention to OBS. It's crucial that the right audio input source is selected within the OBS settings. Open OBS and navigate to its settings menu. Under the audio section, make sure that the correct audio device, that is, the one you're using for your meeting, is selected as the input source. This will ensure that any sound picked up by your microphone will be captured clearly and transmitted through OBS during your session. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any audio conflicts between OBS and Google Meet. This setup helps ensure that your audio is crisp and clear during meetings, minimizing any technical disruptions. Troubleshooting can sometimes be a hassle, but with these tips, you're now prepared to tackle audio issues head on. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to have seamless, high quality audio during your next Google Meet session.